Let me show you how to set up and use LinkedHelper. LinkedHelper is a LinkedIn automation tool to generate leads, send out connection requests, and do outreach. So first, when you come to the website, you'll click on the free trial, you'll sign up, and before anything, you'll need to go through the onboarding. Once the onboarding is done, you'll have to install the application. You simply get it for whatever app you use. Is it Windows? Operating system. Is it Mac OS? You get it, you install it, and then you'll see something that looks like this. Of course, on its own dedicated window. First time when you connect the account, you'll just add your LinkedIn email and LinkedIn password. And the first time you launch anything, you'll just click right here. You click open, and then it will start the instance. The reason we're doing an instance is I think there are a lot less flagging or by LinkedIn or marking you as a spam or noticing the automations if you do it this way. If you were, it was LinkedIn automation simple without an app, it might be a little bit less reliable, right? The first time you open this, it will automatically log you in because you already provided the details, and you'll see something that looks like this. Now to start your first campaign, you just go click create a campaign, select the campaign type you want. Let's do a simple invite and follow up, right? Add a campaign name, first campaign, continue with the selected template, and now we'll be able to edit the template. We can send or not send a connection request message. For example, here we can say, hey, first name, I would like to join your professional network. Of course, we can edit it, add some spin tags, add some custom variables, and A/B test the message. Now, I would probably not send a message in the initial connection request. You could, but I won't. Then you click next. You can add a follow-up. For example, thank you for accepting my invitation. You can adjust how many days you want to send this after, right? You're gonna as well add variations, add spin tags again, add variables, whatever you want. Here you have the preview. So for example, first name, Simon. This is what it will look like because it's using the variable, right? Company, maybe company. Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Vidrain. Right? Whatever it is. You save it, close, and that's what it will be sent out. Of course, you can send more follow-ups, a second follow-up, right? Do you want to send it? Do you not want to send it? It's up to you. You can send as many as you want. Let's say I don't want to send up, but basically this is how you would do. You send a connection request. You can thank for the connection request, then put your product, whatever it is, start a conversation. Click next. Here you can adjust how many days after the connection request invitation was sent to cancel it. If no one accepts, how many days does the automation need to wait until it cancels the invitation? Let's say 30 days, or let's say 14, next, right? And great job. You already made a campaign. We just need to add people. Continue, and here's how we add the people we want to reach out to. We can either scrape from LinkedIn, upload LinkedIn profile URLs, upload a CSV file, or have lists, right? So let's do the most popular, search page, right? And it will open it up for us, right? I'm not doing anything. It opened the search page, and now we are able to adjust the search to match our ICP. So whatever this is, let's use all filters. Let's use United States. So results, let's say head of marketing. That's what I want. United States. Good to go. Now we click on profiles to process. You click plus, fill from current page, and it will get all the profiles from the page, store it for us to reach out to. Amazing, no? Love it. As you can see, it's scraping it for us. I'm not doing anything. I don't know why I'm doing this, but it's scraping the leads for us. Went to another page, it will scrape this page, and you would just leave the automation running in the background till it scrapes, I don't know, however many leads you want, right? Now it has 20 out of 1,000. For the sake of the tutorial, I'll stop it, but you could keep going and scraping all of those leads. Once you scraped all the leads, you can click start campaign. All of these leads are, of course, in the campaign we just made, and then it will actually do everything for you. Send out a connection request, right? As you can see, literally, it's doing something, right? It's imitating as if it's a real person, so LinkedIn doesn't mark you as a, automator, spammer, whatever it is, right? You don't trigger the filters that stop the automations on LinkedIn and all of that stuff. Again, I'm not doing anything. Here it's doing everything for me. So it's even scrolling down, so it looks like as if I'm looking at the account. Insane, right? Insane stuff. Now you would do it across multiple profiles. You can set up a bunch of different campaigns. Literally, as you can see, well, this account is running. You cannot run multiple campaigns per account, but you saw that when we were setting up the campaigns, we had so many different options, right? And I believe you can create custom ones just for yourself. So let's see, in 2 seconds it will connect, right? Locating the button, and it's sending a connection request. I love stuff like this, right? These automations are amazing. Boom! I even heard the noise All right, I love it. Yeah, so the first campaign, first thing done. I'll just stop it. But this is what the campaign looks like. And you can set up everything yourself, like I said. Do anything and everything in LinkedIn Helper. Here we have all the profiles we just scraped. Here's the dashboard of the activities, how many connection requests we sent, how many replies we got, whatever it is. Of course, you would run it and it would be good. Anyways, that's the tutorial for LinkedIn Helper. If you want to also book meetings through cold email without doing anything, I suggest you take a look at how Agent Frank, an AI sales agent, can automate everything from email infrastructure setup to meeting booking, all on autopilot, done for you. So check it out right here.